A, B, C, D. Hey, buddy. Buddy?
What are you doing?
You typing up some emails? Buddy, where's your brain? Yeah, where's your pits? That's your pee-pee. Where's your pits? Yeah, that's pretty close. Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? That's your mouth. Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Wow! Where's your ears? Ears. You got that one over there. Yay, buddy! Let's type some more emails. You gonna plug it in? Uh-oh, don't make it fall. There you go. Plug it in back there. Good job! Where's your brain? Uh-oh, it fell down.